We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced and confusing words. Some of the most mispronounced ones, in fact, in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In British English, it is generally said as damn. Damn. Yes, the N is silent, so don't worry about it. Just ignore it. It'll make your life way easier. Damn in British English. In American English, however, it is usually said as damn. Damn in American English versus damn in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.